Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Anat and today I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower curry. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a new video. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Now to start with the ingredients, here I have taken half grated coconut. Into this we are going to add half teaspoon turmeric powder, that is haldi, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of jeera, 5 cloves, 4 peppercorns. Now these you can increase depending on how spicy you want your curry to turn into. Few pieces of cinnamon sticks, 1 big size garlic pod, half green chili. Now you can take more chili depending on how spicy you prefer. Now I don't like much spicy, so I'm just adding half chili, and a little ginger. Now this is approx 1 tablespoon, and little coriander. Now we will add little water and blend this into paste. So you can see friends, the first time when I am blending it, I have not added much water. I have just added half small cup full of water and I have blended the paste. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to stir our paste so that we get the thick paste, and then we are going to blend it back again so that we get the fine paste. You can just squeeze it with your hands and keep it aside. So now as you can see friends, I have got the thick paste here. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to blend the ingredients back again. So now as you can see, I have blended this paste once again. So what we are going to do now is, we are going to take another bowl and we are going to strain this paste as well. So we are going to get fine paste as well as thick paste. So now as you can see friends, I have got both the pastes. So this is my thick paste and this is my fine paste. So now to start with, we are going to keep a pan on the gas stove, add little oil and allow the oil to get a little hot. Now once the oil is hot, we are going to add the roughly chopped onion. Wait till it turns slightly brownish. We will now add the tomato. Saute both of them well. So now once the tomato is well cooked, now we are going to add in our fine paste into it. The paste that we had taken the second time. So there goes our paste. So now once we add the paste, we are going to cover the lid and we are going to allow it to cook for some time. Now as you can see friends, we have already cooked this well. So once this is done, what we are going to do next is add our cauliflower florets into it. We will now add a thick paste into it. I have also added a little water just to increase my consistency of the curry. I will add a teaspoon of salt. I will also add half Maggi cube just to give it some extra taste. Stir all this well, cover the lid and allow it to cook. So there you go everyone, our cauliflower curry is all ready to be served hot. I hope you all liked the recipe. If you did like, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do try it out and let me know in the comment section how well you liked it. Till then, I'll catch you next Sunday. Bye bye.